Here, in the heart of Sikkim, where the air whispers through emerald leaves, where the breeze carries the scent of wildflowers, and where every breath feels like poetry, this is more than just a campus. This is nature's embrace. While the cities gasp under thick blankets of smog, where the sun hides behind a haze of pollution, we wake up to skies brushed in hues of blue, to mornings that begin with the melody of rustling leaves, not the blaring of car horns. At Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, education is not just about classrooms. It's about the spaces that inspire thought and conversation. Our green campus provides the perfect setting for students to engage in discussions, study in the lap of nature, or simply unwind after a long day. We take pride in our commitment to sustainability. Our campus boasts rainwater harvesting systems, solar energy solutions, and dedicated green zones that contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment. Nature is an integral part of our learning ecosystem. Our serene water bodies and rich biodiversity attract a variety of birds, making our campus a sanctuary for both students and nature alike. A green campus is more than just an aesthetic delight. It plays a vital role in enhancing students' mental well-being. Surrounded by lush greenery, open spaces, and serene landscapes, students experience reduced stress, improved concentration, and a greater sense of calm. Natural environments encourage mindfulness, boost creativity, and provide refreshing breaks from academic pressures. By fostering a connection with nature, a green campus creates a healthier and more inspiring atmosphere, promoting both academic success and emotional well-being. Our botanical garden serves as a living classroom, allowing students to explore diverse plant species while participating in conservation efforts. Through plantation drives and environmental awareness programs, we cultivate a culture of responsibility towards nature. Amidst this natural beauty, our campus is alive with creativity and culture. From open air discussions to music performances and art exhibitions, our outdoor spaces provide the perfect backdrop for self expression and community engagement. At SMIT, we don't just educate minds, we nurture souls in an environment where knowledge flourishes, friendships blossom, and nature embraces every step of the journey.